Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys will see me install this 28-inch wig. It came with 2 clips and it also came with 2 caps. This is the beautiful wig before I took off the net, and after I took off the net, you'll see me taking out the paper and everything. The construction and the inside came with 2 combs on the side and a comb at the nape and an adjustable band. The wig was very beautiful. This is a deep wave wig, and you see I rubbed my fingers through it and it was hardly any shedding. I don't think it was no shedding at all once I did that. I bleached the knots and everything, and here goes the installation. So I put it on my head to see how it fit, and as y'all can see, it looks great. Look at that. Look at it. I believe the density on this wig is 180. The density is about 180 on this wig. And overall, it was a very good wig to me. I will have everything linked in my description below, but for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna speed through it and let you guys watch how I installed it. Okay, I will not be doing the ball cap method. I did put some makeup on my lace. Hold on, let me show y'all. I went in with this in the level 12 right here, and I used this side. Don't mind all that, I'm finna fix it. I like for my baby hairs to be dramatic on my curly wigs because it just gives a look that I love. Right here, I'm just going in and plucking and thinning out these baby hairs so that they won't be too thick. You don't want that. When cutting your baby hairs, do not just go in and just make them as short as possible. No, because once you take it off, there is no putting it back. Start at a good enough length, and then if they too long for you, then make them a little bit shorter. Because, baby, you cannot put hair back. I'm not really feeling the baby hairs like that, but they just gonna have to do for now. because I don't feel like doing all that. It's late. I need to go to bed. It's cute. I will see y'all tomorrow in the morning to give y'all a full look. Whatever. When y'all dialed up. Bye, y'all.